make a video right quick. This is a 2007 Volvo S80. S80, yeah. Doing a starter. So just two bolts holding it in. One right there, like 13 millimeters. Got a 10 and a 13. It's your positive and negative. Sits right here. There's your starter. Okay. There's your two bolts. There's right there. The other one. See if you can see it. Right there. That's it right there. I might take that bracket off too. Take that bracket off, be real easy to get to it. So, pretty easy. But you know what I'm saying, to get to it though, you know what I'm saying, you gotta take off your intake, battery tray. It's real rusted, so you see these two screws right there, one right there, one right there. It's got a grommet. It was just rusted out, so kind of to break that off. Just use the pry bar. Thermostat, you got 13 millimeters or 12s. I think it was 12s. There's three of them. It's like 1, 2, and 3. Not thermostat, I'm sorry. Heater pipe. But take that out, squeeze that clamp, just twist it, pull it up, and you know, you just got some bolts right there. You're gonna have to take those out. Throttle body. Pull this tray up, battery. But you know, all that, it didn't say any of this stuff, and didn't know what we was getting into here. So I just made this video to warn you, because nobody else made one on this car. You know, they make the videos on all the easy cars, but they'll never tell you how to work on how to fix the complicated ones. So this is a warning to you. I'll give you a little heads up insight. But so basically, you have to take out, in order to get to, the only way to get to the starter out, you got to take the battery tray out, and you got to take out the intake, all of this right here. You got to get that out right there. You cannot get it out unless you take that out, so just be prepared to take this off right here. But it ain't that hard. Like I said, it's just a couple 12, 13 millimeters. Squeeze that clamp right there, twist it, pull it up. You can get them two bolts real easy now. But you know, you just gotta take out the intake, air intake right there, battery tray. That's the only way you're gonna get it out. Okay. But it's a 2007 Volvo S80 starter.